Here we go. Again on here I have a normal washer and a copper washer. Right. Right, am I going to save the gasket or not? Maybe the majority. We'll see. Nah, I think I'm going to ruin this, it's stuck. Probably at the bottom. No, it might have come off. And there's not much condensation in there. And not too many bits. Certainly no alternator. And that one's been a build. So plop that there. I'll tell you, yeah, plop that there for a minute. What am I doing now? Clutch off. Dirty single silicon. Right, clutch, alternator. I invested in some deep sockets, makes a change. Plug all the bits and pieces in the casing for now. Then I give everything a super clean when I'm putting them back together. Obviously you try and work as clean as you can. Yeah, slippy with the oil. Well, we'll have to see. Yes, when I put a new alternator on, I saved these. So rather than put it in the rest, I'll just clamp them on. I'll do. Screws. Right, off with my springs. Now, after I've done my clutch, say I've got these out a bit. With the standard setup, these are new springs, these, and they're the strongest I could get, and I still ended up with a clutch slip. So what I did, well, I'll wait till I take it off and I'll show you. Because I don't know why, I've always had a bit of a slippy clutch, even with a new one, and I've got Flex plates in here. Yeah, let's see. So what I did in here, shit, apart from throw it everywhere, in the bottom of each bucket I put that much washer first, and obviously then the spring, and then the screw. Now I tried it in the vise. I squashed the spring all the way up as far as it'd go to see if it would be coil bound if I put them washers in, and obviously it wasn't. There was plenty of space for packing the springs. So if you've got a slippy clutch, that worked for me. Obviously you make sure I put two washers. There's a thickish one and a thinner one, but measure wise it's about what, 1/8 of an inch, and that extra 1/8 of an inch makes 100% difference. I haven't had a slippy clutch since I've done that, which as far as I'm concerned, excellent. Right, don't forget to take your plush rod out. You don't want that bending, or actually it would have pushed out the other side. So here we go. Push rod. Oh, I thought they were going to come out with a big lump. Get me magnets, I think. And I could certainly do with some stronger magnets. No, we'll lean it over this way. Yeah, I might just do that. There's the sticky ones. No, they're not. No, there's one. There you go, little plates out. They're good, still scrubbed up nice. Great. Right, I'm ready to undo clutch nut, crankshaft nut, crankshaft nut, and the alternator magnet off, chain off. Yes, look at that. New rollers maybe. Right, I'm just going to go into think mode, and I wish I'd had that camera there. Right, ages later, April now, April the 4th, I've done now, since I squashed my finger, this is the first time I've touched my bike. Done plenty of editing. Right, I'm just connecting my rear brake. That'll do probably. Right, I'm undoing the crankshaft end nut and the clutch centre nut. So I'm going to whack it into gear. So I'll use the selector on the other side. Right, I'm going to put it into gear. Obviously, right. Selector, I've forgotten the name of this. Selector fork, selector duty. Oh, you know what I mean. Video. Right. Now it's I prise it up and down, so I'm going to just put a screwdriver in there and carefully, whilst turning, now that's in gear. Right, so now I've got it in gear, I can use the back brake. Seeing that I'm taking the crank nut off, I need to lock the clutch, and I'll do that with my two plates bolted together. Mash these up. That's now the clutch locked up, so I can apply the brake, and these should be locked. So crank nut first. Now I'm using a 23mm and it taps on. And then hopefully I can apply the brake and crack this off. So right, there's my foot. Apply the brake. Yeah, let's see if I can do this without falling on me butt. Get in there. Oh, I'm all springy. Excuse the arm. Yeah. Sod the Loctite, I say. That struggle I had last time. Oh, right. And now the clutch centre nut. This I'm using 7/8 AF. Oh, I'm in the wrong place. The brake are a very bad disadvantage here for pulling. Excuse me. There's my upper lock nut. And I always put a bit of Loctite on that, but never again on the crankshaft. Try the rotor, give it a pull, see what happens. It's tighter than that. Hopefully it isn't that tight, so I'll just try and lever it off at first. Should be a slidey fit. Can't quite get the purchase. Oh no, there you go. Oh, damn. I'm running out of squares. One rotor to one side. Spacer, woodruff key, which we'll take out in a minute. Right, now I've taken the locking plate out of the clutch. I can take it out of gear. Now I'll put it down a click. I want to go up. It's like a half a click. Wiggle the shaft. Oh, that's in it half a half. Oh no. Right, neutral. Right, just so we can see. You can see a bit better. Locate the tab washer. Hang on. Yeah, find the tab washer. They don't both need bending over. And just tap it open with the screwdriver. Punch, drift. Right. Find the socket that fits it. Oh. Yeah, right, and again. Right, so I've put my clutch plates back in again to lock the clutch up. I should have really put it in gear. That would have helped a bunch. Oh. I'll remove my clutch locker. Find my screwdriver, which is on the wrong side. In gear. Clutch locker back in. I'm using a 15/16 in the gearbox. It's best to undo this before you undo the clutch Morse taper. That's where it'll come off. Right, normal threads. Do a pull and ring. It's that one. And the crankshaft plug, I am using a 5/8 Whitworth but it isn't the best fit. But it's the bestest fit I have. 5/8 Whitworth. Again, normal thread. I'm pressing on the brake. Oh, that might need some heat. Yeah. Right, I'll be warming this up, so I'll pull my ignition wires out the way. Pull them up the bike. Right, using gas propane, butane. Right, hang on, because they make a lot of noise. I don't want it squirted about too much, but when you first light these, you're better off leaving them to get hot. Because if you start moving it about, they can squirt the liquid out. But I'm basically upright, so I'm just going to warm up the nut. Basically until maybe the oil smokes. Feel free to add music. Right, it's starting to bubble spit. So I'm just going to finish this off, go around the other side, get a socket on, hope it's still hot enough. Apply the brake, apply the socket, hopefully pull. Oh, there you go.